One of my students came to me with this particular problem. He has been trading for over 1 year. He understands price action. He understands the brokers and the platforms trading view, all of that. And he has the money to invest in trading. But so far, he consistently picks out the losing trades. And when he picks the winning trades, he exits those trades early. This has been a big issue to the point where he has lost confidence in trading by himself. And so he relies on signals from other traders and gambling here and there to see if he will catch a winning trade. And I figure maybe you are going through the same exact problem. And so in this video, I am going to show you exactly how I helped him build back his confidence, and now he is on his way building up his portfolio without relying on anybody's signals. If you are new to the channel, subscribe. I also have a special bonus for you at the end of the video, so stick around and let's jump into the video. So problem number 1 is picking the right trades. Now, trading is just like a day job where you have a specific place, office, or wherever it is that you go, and you do a specific task at a specific time. Think about this analogy. You try working for different companies at the same time randomly throughout the month and still expect to get paid. That is never going to work. And so picking a strategy is all about understanding, first of all, who you are, because different strategies work best with different types of people. And so we have 3 main categories of strategies. We have scalping strategies, and this is for people who have low risk tolerance and they just want to get in and get out very quickly. Then we have swing trading, which is for people who have that long-term mindset and they can hold trades for 2, 3, 4, even weeks. And then we have the sweet spot, which is day trading. Sweet spot for me. And so if day trading works best for you, then I can definitely help you build up your strategy. Problem number 2 is consistency. So think about this analogy. If you have a 9 to 5 and you don't show up on time, you even skip some days, and when you show up, you don't follow the rules, you don't deliver on the skills that you are hired to deliver, do you think you are going to get a payout at the end of the month? Same thing with forex trading. The skill that you learn is the strategy that you will learn. Then consistency is showing up every single day at the specific time you're supposed to apply the strategy without fail every single day. And when you show up, you apply the skill 100%. You follow the process, follow the rules, and I can guarantee you that if you do that, it's virtually impossible, mathematically impossible for you not to get a payout at the end of the month if the strategy has an edge in the market. Problem number 3 is confidence. Now, confidence is just knowing that you can predict what is going to happen with a high degree of accuracy. For example, I predict that I'm going to post this video. There is a very high chance that you will watch this video because I posted it. Same thing with forex trading. If you have an edge in the market and you stick to that edge, then through time you are going to build confidence because you will see the results. However, forex trading will never work for you if you don't understand these 3 things. And this is what helped this student build confidence and consistency effortlessly. Let me show you through the performance of our trades in the month of October. So total, we had 8 trades and we had 5 losing trades and 3 winning trades. But how exactly do we stay confident and consistent even when we have 5 trades? You can see these are the trades that we took. So we have to understand one thing: risk to reward ratio and win rate. So if you think about it, if you have a risk to reward ratio of 1:3, which is our average risk to reward ratio, and you have a win rate of about 40%, which is about the same as our strategy, then it's very easy for you to calculate and then predict how much you are supposed to make when you follow the strategy. So if we have 10 trades, it means that we expect 6 losses and 4 winners. But these 6 losses, we are just losing minus 1R. And if we win, we are winning plus 3R. So what does that tell you? At the end of the trading period, you have 6 losses, which is equivalent to minus 6R, and you have 4 winners, which is equivalent to plus 12R. So overall, you have a profit of 6R. So 6R is 6% if you are risking 1% per trade. So this is what we call confidence, the numbers behind the strategy. So in the next video, I am going to show you the exact step-by-step process that I used to teach this student the strategy. Now he is out there building his own portfolio. But before we do that, you need a trading account. It's important for it to be reliable, just like the strategy I will teach you. That is why I highly recommend you use XM. Link will be in the description. I have used XM for the longest time because they are fast, reliable, and they offer up to 100% deposit bonus. So if funds is your problems with XM, you don't have a problem with funds. You double your account immediately. So I recommend use the link in the description to open an account, and then I will see you in the next video teaching you the exact strategy that I use. You can also join our free school community and access the free course there. Link will be in the description. And if you got value from today's video, subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Peace out.